Hey there planners, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So today's video I have for you a new product by Happy Planner. This is a new bundle, all the stickers. So if you guys want to check out an unboxing and what I think of this new product, then keep on watching. Welcome to my channel. I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional here in my planner world. And today I have for you an unboxing of the new bundle by Happy Planner. This is currently in stock as I'm filming this, and it's around $34, you know, with shipping and handling. So I think I paid roughly about $45 for this bundle here. I was really excited about this. I think what caught my eye was the box itself. This is definitely up my alley when it comes to Happy Planner. A lot of this reminds me of an older collection that they had. I think it was a collab with the Social Type. It was a Be Happy box as well. And then I think they did they did a lot of collection or this kind of style with the budget line, which I don't know why they do. I wish they would, you know, continue this kind of style like in a different collection or theme, especially for those who love color or love the old Happy Planner where they were all about color and brights and things like that. Anywho, I love this box. It's so cute. This box is a cute little bundle. It's called the Sticker Zip Folio Bundle. I love stickers. It's $34.99. I haven't opened this at all. I wanted to share this with you. My first impression, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh my gosh, this color I love so much. Like, my favorite color is green, but like I've always talked about this lilac or grape. I don't know, not grape, but I think I say grape because Stony Clover has this color. Well, I have the bag and I think they call it grape, but I love this color. Okay, so cute. It says your future looks bright, aka full of stickers. So again, this is called I Love Stickers. Really cute. It's a little bundle of joy. So I'm just gonna kind of see if I can get everything out this way. A little easier. I love that lime green. Okay, so we have this cute little card, so many stickers, so little time. And it kind of tells you everything inside, which is super cute. And it says share your happy with like hashtags here at the bottom. And we have bring on the stickers, value pack sticker book, 8 sticker sheets, washi tape bundle, and then a sticker book zipper folio. Gosh, this is so cute. I love this. So this is the zip folio. It's a different pencil pouch size that they've ever put out before. And I really love it. I love the fabric. It's got like that soft material, very squishy. It does have a full zip around. And it does have like the adjustments here so nothing falls out. You know, it's got this extra fabric here, the way it's cut like that. And you have 2 full pockets there. Let me take everything out. So here's the washi bundle. We have these little sticker books that Happy Planner has put out before. And then a full value sticker book. And then on the other side of this pouch, you actually have like this full in pocket interior. And then it actually has a pen loop right there that you could put in here. It would have been cute if they did have a pen to put in here. So I'm just gonna take a pen that I have on my desk. You could stick that in there. So yeah, this is very spacious. I love the fact that a Happy Planner value sticker book fits in there quite nicely. And then you can put all your other pens in there. I like that it has this divided section if you want to get things to be real organized in here. And then you have like the pockets on the side. I love the color. I love the checkered. So this is supposed to slip on a planner. So let's get some planners. Okay, so I have 2 Happy Planners here. This is the classic size, and then I have a big. Let's see what this looks like over the planners. So it's definitely larger than the classic size that you guys can see right there. I mean, it fits over it, but this is a large, again, a larger pouch that I've seen them. Like with the bands, they have put out like some sets a couple years ago, like really big pen pouches that were just like a one solid pocket, but nothing like with the band on it. So it fits the big Happy Planner really nicely. So that totally fits that one. I mean, it looks like it goes together, is what I mean. I mean, you could probably stick your classic if you do both sizes to plan with. That is what it looks like over your Happy Planners. I do have ERIN CONDREN here, which ERIN CONDREN's a little smaller than Happy Planner. You know, the A5, which is definitely going to be bigger than the A5. And then they have their 7x9, which is a little smaller than the Happy Planner size. Just, you know, by some inches. So if I put these two together, I mean, it definitely fits, but I mean, it'd be great just to have it like this, and you can carry it with you. Like if you want to carry it around somewhere else to plan, or like around your house, or maybe in your backyard, or on your porch or something. Yeah, I love it. I think this is so cute. I love the color. So that's the cute little pouch. I love the pouch. So cute. Definitely great for traveling. Okay. I wonder if any of this collection or design is going to be the new spring release. I have a feeling, but I don't know. I don't have any information on that. But this is the 8 sticker sheet pack. So it's 156 pieces. Of course, I like these. They're very portable, but they haven't put out a ton of this size like they used to. I think it's just sporadically or whatever season comes out. Like they put out 1 or 2 a year, I think, than what they used to before. I think they're great because if you don't want to have a bunch of the big value pack sticker books, you can get it. I wish they would do more of these, because maybe a lot of people don't want to, you know, have to organize a bunch of the value pack sticker books. So I have a bunch of these. So I love these. I'm a fan of these. So this is super cute. I love stickers. It's what it's called. So let's kind of flip through this one. Super cute. These are clear. So we have like these fun cherries, but they're like disco balls. That's what it looks like. And then we have some fun pretzels with some cute quotes. You rock, stay kind, heck yes. And then like this cute ice cream sundae. Some more clear stickers. We have these mushrooms with like these cute little emoji faces, and they're throwing up confetti. That's cute. And then we have some foiling to these stickers, which are still clear. These are rainbows, and then we have some lightning bolts. And then we have like the disco balls with some roller skates, again with foiling. And then these are paper. These are smiley faces, and I love that they have this ombre. So cute. I love the smiley faces. Super cute. Then we have some kitties. This is what made it for me, honestly. Not just the colors and the theme, but I saw that it had like some cat stickers in here, and I am a cat mama, so I adore these stickers. And I love that these are going in different direction. That's always great in a sticker book. Then we have some plants. And then we have a cute little bag that says stay kind. And then we have some noodles, I guess some ramen with like different colors with the little smiley faces. Cute little sticker pack. It is a little random, but with just like different icons, but I do love the color, and it's something new and fresh for me from Happy Planner, so I'm excited that I picked it up. So here's the sticker pack. Let's flip through this. We have some larger stickers here, and then the cute quote says, "I love stickers." There's the little mushroom, and then this says, "Put on your fancy pants. You are magic." Just some cute quotes. Bomb diggity. Don't forget to stretch. It's all good. And then these are paper. It's a little foodie page with "Feed me and tell me I'm pretty." And another foodie page with a little avocado. He's cute. And then more food stuff with like some quotes with the foiling. And then these little stars or confetti, I really like these. These are super cute and fun and easy to add to your spread. I love these. They're clear. You get 2 pages. And yeah, we're just like having a party with these stickers. Super cute. I love the quotes here and how they did this with the individual colors. I love that. I just want all the stickers, so many stickers, so little time, sticker queen. That's really cute. That'd be cute on a shirt. Stickers are my love language. Oh my gosh, I love this sticker. And then this one's fun. I like how they did the background with the gold foiling. I love the ombre. And then some new illustrations, kind of retro vibes. We got like those daisies, which are really cute. And the record player, more disco stuff, illustrations with the paper, and more of these cute mushrooms. And we have like these larger quotes. Again, I love how they played with the fonts here. That's so cool. And then this is the same page, but with gold foiling. I think you guys can see it a little bit better. We have some plants, which I love plants. I'm more of like a fake plant person because I don't know. If I put more effort into keeping a plant up, I could, but I feel like the best ones for me right now is artificial or succulents because succulents don't need a whole lot of caring. But yeah, I'm not really this plant vibe person. Greenery is really pretty, don't get me wrong. Greenery is great for decorating your spreads, and it's definitely a piece that you want to have in your home, whether it's real or not. So this is cute. A lot more plants here, clear stickers. And then I love that they added these couple of pages with like the smaller icons. So we have like the rainbows, the smiley face, you know, these records and cassette tapes, and then the cherries. I love that the cherries look like disco balls. And so again, with the plants, you know, you get a smaller page for that. So the flowers, lava lamps, you know, the mushrooms and the avocado. Yeah, it's definitely really random with these icons, but it's a cute theme. Strawberries. So this is like the foodie section. And then we have like these cute little rewards that have little quotes on them. And then some with this pretty lavender foiling. I love when they do that foiling. That foiling's pretty. And then this last 2 pages are in this, you know, gradient color, but it's like stars or starburst and some lightning. They're paper. They're really hard to see. That is a look at this sticker book. I think it's cute and fresh and fun, and I love, you know, all the colors and the quotes. It is a little random, but I think it's super cute. So that's what I think about this sticker book, which is, again, it's cute. I love it. I'm glad that I got it. And then the washi. I love the fact that this bundle came with washi. Washi is essential. I like using washi within my spreads. So it's fun to have a new one. So we have this pretty blue one with like little white specks on it, which is fun. I think the design plays well. And this one's a quote. It says, "You are magic. I love the gradient. Super soft. And I love that they're all different sizes. That's a plus. And of course the smileys. You can't go wrong with smileys. Super cute. I love this one. I think this one's my favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and kind of got an idea of what I thought about this cute little bundle. I do think it's worth it. It's super cute for me, especially when, you know, it's super fun and fresh to add to my sticker collection. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to have you here. And I will see you on my next video. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.